morning, dear teachers and students. I am Sirik Baknur. I am studying 6th grade, number 9 Lyceum of Timirtau. Today's our theme of TEDx is We'll Learn English. I think English is one of the most popular language today because English is now used in many countries, and this means that English language has a future. And English is one of the 3 languages we need to in Kazakhstan. And I think everyone needs to learn English because it is international language. And if you can go to USA, China, Korea and other countries, you can speak English. So I want to learn English, and for example, I every day learn 10 words and I can use it. For example, door, close the door, open the door, and other. And so you can use it. And the end, and I want to tell you, learn English because it is very important and very popular language today. And thank you for your attention.